In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up SurveyMonkey, the world's most popular survey platform, in just about 5 minutes, whether you're looking to gather feedback, conduct research, or engage with your audience in any other way. SurveyMonkey is a great tool to use. So let's get started. First off, you'll want to navigate to the SurveyMonkey website. It's straightforward to find. Simply type SurveyMonkey into your search bar or enter www.surveymonkey.com directly into your browser. The homepage itself is quite user-friendly, and it's from here that you'll begin your account setup process. Once you're on the website, the next step is to type in your email address. You'll see the option to sign up or log in right on the homepage. For new users, you'll want to focus on the sign up area. Type your email address into the designated field. Be sure to use an email address you have access to, as you'll likely need to verify it through an email SurveyMonkey will send you. After entering your email, the site will prompt you to agree to their terms of service and privacy policy. Take a moment to read through these if you like. It's always good to know what you're agreeing to. Once you're comfortable, click on I agree to proceed. This step is crucial as it ensures you understand the agreement between you and SurveyMonkey regarding your data and privacy. Next, you'll be asked to click on the Next button. This action will take you further into the setup process, guiding you towards creating your account's credentials. The following step involves typing in your password. Choose a strong, secure password that you haven't used elsewhere. Remember, the strength of your password is vital for the security of your data and surveys. You'll be required to type this password in twice to ensure there are no typos and that you remember it correctly. Once your password is set, you'll click on the Create Account button. This action is the final step in establishing your SurveyMonkey account. You're almost there. After creating your account, you might be prompted with various offers or additional services. If you're eager to dive straight into creating surveys and gathering data, you can skip these by clicking on Skip. This option allows you to move directly to your newly created SurveyMonkey dashboard without any further ado. And just like that, you're all set up. You now have a SurveyMonkey account and are ready to start creating surveys. The dashboard is user-friendly, offering various options and templates to get you started. Whether it's market research, customer satisfaction, or any other type of survey, SurveyMonkey has got you covered. Remember, getting familiar with any new platform takes a little time, so feel free to explore and experiment with all the features SurveyMonkey has to offer. Creating effective surveys is both an art and a science, and now you have the tools right at your fingertips. Thank you for joining me today to learn about setting up SurveyMonkey. Dive in, create your surveys, and start gathering valuable insights today. Happy surveying!